Editing a video takes a lot of time, and when the computer or video editor crashes or switches off, we lose all the work done. In this video, I will show you how you can activate autosave on your Camtasia video editor. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates. It encourages us to create more tutorial videos for you. So let's get started with the process. To activate autosave, first we need to click Edit on the top menu. And next, we need to select this Preference tab in the bottom. And again, in this pop-up window, we need to check this box to enable autosave and duration. I want it to autosave every 1 minute. We can click this button to go to the autosave folder where we will find all the autosaved Camtasia files. Whenever the video editor crashes or the computer switches off unexpectedly, we are prompted to click Recover the Camtasia editing file. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please comment, like, and share my video. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content. Thank you.